dayon. Yun, no? But not now. GC pa, alam niyo po ba na sa panahon na nagbibigay tayo sa church, madaming tao ang nagpapasalamat kay Lord? Yan yung sabi sa verse 11. Dahil nakareceive din yung mga taong yun ng dahil sa church. Jesus Church, have you been heard that Jesus Church have been supporting many people, many churches, missionaries, and servants of God from one church to another. And this year, I'm so happy to witness that Jesus Church have been planting a seed from Japan in church there. At yun ang natulungan ng Jesus Church, and it resulted at Thanksgiving